All right, so lesson number 1, the first thing you need to be aware of is that ads are not a magic button. Now, 5-10 years ago, this statement that I just said would not have been true. 5-10 years ago, you could literally take a stock image, and you know the one I'm talking about, the one with the guy with the hard hat and the actual hammer on the roof with the shingle from the side view. You could literally take that stock image, slap your logo on it, say, book your free roof inspection, and then you could get leads from that. But the reality is, that's not how meta ads work now. So what does make these ads convert? First of all, you need to have a clear target audience. This is where we start with all of our clients. Most of the time when we ask someone, who is your ideal target audience? They will come back to us and they will say, a homeowner with a roof. Well, that newsflash is not clear enough. The next thing we need to get clear on is, what are the ideal types of projects you want more of, and where do those specific projects exist? For example, if you want more repairs, then we should be advertising more repairs because maybe that's what influences profit margins the most for your roofing company. The third part of a winning ad strategy is winning creatives. If you're still using graphics, those are worth testing, but I can tell you that the vast majority of our 8-figure clients are putting their time, energy, and effort into video content creation and using video ads in order to provide a more compelling message within their ad strategy.
Everyone's upgrading something this summer. New patios, new landscaping, new kitchens. But what about your roof? It's what protects everything else, and it's the first thing people see. Let's make it match the pride you have in your home. We'll give you a free quote, walk you through the options, and you can take it from there. Simple as that. Just hit the button, and we'll take it from there.
The fourth component of a winning ad strategy is compelling ad copy. Our most successful clients do not use get a free roof inspection as their call to action. They will instead spice that offer up, make it much more compelling for their ideal clients. They'll say things like, claim your 28-point roof inspection today. Most people assume that roof inspections are free, and so you don't necessarily need to highlight that in your call to action. Tell them what value they will get as a result of that inspection, if that is indeed the call to action that you're going for. And then the last piece of the winning ad strategy that I will quickly talk about is you must be running 3 different types of ads for your roofing company on the Meta platform. So a great example of this is Dan Young of Young Construction in Iowa, one of our longtime clients. We absolutely love Dan. And you'll see, if you're looking at this visually on YouTube, you'll see that on this quote specifically from Dan, he said, just today we had 23 leads call in. It's about being consistent and building the brand, trying new ideas and tracking what works and what doesn't. It takes time. Dan's team consistently runs brand awareness ads, retargeting ads, and lead generation ads in his market. And he's typically getting a cost per lead of about $60 to $80 as a result of sticking with that strategy on a consistent basis and making consistent optimizations with our team. So there you have it. At this point, we've identified who the ideal target audience is. We've identified what types of ideal projects we want more of. We have worked on the ad copy. We've worked on the video scripts, and we have developed these awesome videos for clients so that they can run those ads effectively and be able to attract the most ideal prospects in their market to their roofing company. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you on the next video.